my second tour, working tour in Uzbekistan, where I spent nearly the last 55 days. It was pretty exhausting. But now I'm home 2 days and I got away. And it's very early, it's 6:30 in the morning, and I'm at a place which was recommended by a subscriber to me. And look what I found. It's amazing, it's promising. So I have the whole day, but on to that later. I show you what I found. Look at that beauty. It's a cap badge of a Soviet soldier. It's a little bit crusted, but still the pin is there, you can see. Yeah, I don't know if it's World War II related, because I'm in East Germany, so it could well be that it's from a time 1945 to 1990. But I doubt it actually, because this was promised to me told me this is a spot where you can find a lot of badges, Wehrmacht, because they seem to have surrendered here to the Russians, and going to Russian captivity, the German soldiers, as I understand it, made sure they get rid of all their badges and, you know, what could be a disadvantage to them. So if there is a captain or something with breast orders, he made sure to get rid of it. So, first find, first woohoo! Sweet! Let's see what else there is to find. Moving on. Sorry for the probable wind noise. I changed spots and I had to come back to the dream field. I'm here. As you can see, where I've been last time. It's pretty. They didn't, plow it and stuff, but I want to show you something. Just for your imagination. I'm gonna switch the speaker on and walk a few meters. So my machine is not broken or something, but you have to get the... Oh, wait, I switch it off again. It's so much coke here. So you don't know what to dig actually. So much signals. Yeah. There we have it. This will be called Schlacke. It's a side product of doing metal. It's the thing which is on top if you cook iron or steel. So this all, you hear it. So it's about, doing the right decision, which target to dig and which not. So I'm carry on, and hopefully I find silver again, and a huge silver coin or something like that. Moving on. Here's my first nice find. I actually don't know what it is. There's a little bit writing, so I guess I'm going to find out what it is. Look, there's a little ring attached, so you could put it somewhere. Actually, I don't know. I have any clue. It could be something like a match holder. I don't know, because of this, Perhaps, I don't know. But it's nice, and I'm I'm taking it. I'm taking it home. So let's see what else there is to find. Moving on. It's really horrible weather. It's cold. It's windy. And it's blowing all the wind in my neck and the rain as well, so I hate it, but I think I found something extraordinary. I dug a hole, it was about in the 90s, and I discovered a huge lump of coke. And then I thought, no, it can't be, because coke doesn't give me any reading on the deers. So I'm so glad that I kept on searching, because I think I show you. Look what I found. I think it doesn't look much, but I think I found a seal matrix. Look at that. Yeah, I clean it and show you exactly what it is. Look at that. There's I guess it's a windmill. I guess these two little things beside it are people, and there are two letters. It's mirrored, but I guess it's R and L. I don't know. I will do a proper seal with it to look. And the back side is, that intrigues me a bit, because this is a little brass ring, and this here is the remains of wood. So since I don't know nothing about seal matrices, could that be that it's like a, like a stamp attached to wood? I don't know, but this is a beautiful find. I don't know how old it is. I've never found something comparable, so enlighten me if you know it, please. So, moving on in shitty weather. Silver is lying on the ground here, look at that. I found a backlid of a small pocket watch, and it has a hallmark. I hope you can see, 0.800 in the crest here. So it's a older one, I guess it's around 1900. Nice! I'm certainly happy with that. Moving on. Oh, the weather is horrible. It's horrible. It's horrible. That only. I show you later what I found. I don't find only crap. I found decent stuff. I find coins, mostly aluminium, 400, 500 marks and 200 marks, inflation money. I love to find them, but I'm spoiled and I like to find big silvery thingies. So the weather is really pissing me off. It's cold. So now I found something. I'll show you. I just discovered it. It's big. Shut up. It's heavy, but I doubt it's a coin. Although I can see some writing on the edge. So I guess it's a pin, because on the back side, shut up, there really is nothing. So as usual, I clean it and show you. Suspected it's a pin of some sort, and I know what it is. It took me a while to read it, and it's written 10th of November 1933, and there it's written in the middle. There's a flower and there's a cross, so it's no swastika involved here. Here is written Deutscher Luthertag, German Lithuanian Day, which is a very nice find. Moving on. Whoa, look at that. It's devastated, but I think I know what it is. It's a belt buckle, Kastenkoppelschluss. And look, if I'm right, it has two heads. The eagle has two heads. It's either Russian or Austrian. Yeah, I clean it and show you, okay? Ow. I'm still not really sure what it is, but I guess it's Austrian, because it's two eagles united under one crown, and the one is Hungary and the other is Austria. This is a pretty nice find. Woohoo! Sweet! Yeah, I think it's bendable. Here was the not the hook, the catch attached, and here would be was one time the rod with the two thorns, so that you can attach it to the leather of the belt. What a nice find. Taking a picture. This will be the picture of this video. So, wow, now they're coming at last. The battery of my coil nearly is dead, which makes me a little bit nervous, because I actually forgot my my small coil. So if the battery's gone, I'm gone, which would be a pity, because I have at least 4 hours left. So hurry up and search. Moving on. Ooh, I found a pin again of some sort, and I guess I know what it is. It's the same I traded with Eric for this beautiful silver thingy he gave me. It's, I think, Deine Hand, dem Handwerk. I clean it and show you. Yes, it is, but this one really looks, it's heavy, and it looks a little bit silverish to me, but probably I'm wrong. I will check it at home. This is a very nice one. Very nice. Moving on, sweet. Nice relic popped up. It's a token, and I thought, it popped up like a big silver coin, but it's aluminum, and I thought now but no. But it's very funny, because it says bewahre mich als Talisman, in Not beschütze ich dich alsdann. Keep me as a charm of luck, and in a case of emergency I will care for you. Very nice. And there are the signs of luck, the four leaves clover, and iron for the horses. And it was issued from the Allgemeinen Blindenverband Berlin, the greater, or what you call it, Association of the Blind in Berlin. And I guess it's around 1930 as well. Nice one. Moving on. Found a little jewelry or a pin of some sort. There is still a little bit a layer of enamel in it. Don't know what there was, but what's intriguing me a bit is the pin. Look, the pin looks like it's made of gold. Very strange, because it's such a cheap brass or copper pin, but the pin itself, look, either silver or gold. Yeah, I will take it home and check for hallmarks on the pin. Strange one, but very nice nonetheless. Could be silver? No. Could it be? Oh, actually it could. Yeah. Oh, check that. Alright, moving on. Yeah, it can't be that bad. Look at that. I found it in the middle of really nowhere. Here is a nice little old marble, and it's totally intact. Look at that. Oh, that's a beauty. This is only my second marble that I found so far. Whoa, this is nice. This is nice. Woohoo! Moving on. What's that? Just a shard. Cool. I found a fairly huge piece of scrap silver. Look how it cleans. This is silver for sure. Oh, very good. And 5 minutes ago I found this, and I'm not sure, because I can't see anymore. I'm not sure, it looks blank, but I would say this is a seal matrix as well, just without a seal. Look like dong. So it has no, screws or attachments to be a pull handle or something like that, and it's damn heavy. So I don't know. Yeah, it's beautiful. So this was a metal detecting episode from dawn till dusk. I don't know what time it is right now, but it's dusk. It's heavy sundown. So if I'm not popping up again, that was it for today's episode of Klugscheißer Dance metal detecting around Berlin. I wish you all good luck and happy hunting, and see you again.